Here you have the Python interpreter window, the command prompt window. At this Python command prompt, you can enter some of the Python commands and test these commands. Let us begin. So let us assign 20 to a variable called a. Immediately let us see the output command, print, then a. So it should print, as you see, it has printed the content of a. Let us assign 30 to b, p. And then let us say c is equal to a plus b. Now let us see the values of a, b, c. So immediately it prints the content of a and b and c. The better way of presentation would be print the sum of percentage d and percentage d is equal to percentage d, and you give percentage here, and then you say a, b, c. As you see here, this is a sum of percentage d, where that is the format specifier, is the integer. Percentage d is for integers. So at percentage d, the corresponding values are appearing. So 20 and 30 is equal to 50. Let us try the input command. You are familiar with the input command. Let us see c is equal to, I say integer, input, I say enter the temperature in Celsius. Let us see what happens. So here, so it asks me to now, immediately it is executing. So one advantage of interpreter is the moment you enter a command and press enter, immediately it executes that statement. So I enter 100. Now 100 is assigned to C. Let us convert that into Fahrenheit. Is equal to 9 divided by 5 into C plus 32. Let us see what happens. Now it has converted temperature in centigrade to Fahrenheit. We'll print that. Print C, F. So it prints the value of C and F. Again, the better form would be print. So we say the temperature percentage D, C is in D, that is C is equal to percentage 4.1 F, then you say F, then I say percentage C, F. Let us see what happens. As you see now, the temperature 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 212.0 F Fahrenheit. So this way we have converted the temperature in centigrade to Fahrenheit. So here you have gone through the output command and the input command, and we have also done the assignment statement. So this is how you can test each of your commands at the Python prompt. But as you see, if you have a bigger problem, you cannot save it at this interpreter. So we need to have an integrated development environment. So you can download these IDEs available. You just say Python IDE, immediately it will give you a lot of options. And one of the best options would be to download what is called Anaconda, that is Spider. So it gives you an environment like this to test your commands. At the same time, you can save your programs as .py documents or files, and then you can execute them, you can test them, you can make corrections, etc. So that is the advantage of IDE, integrated development environment. So I wish that you download this thing, Spider, Anaconda, and then use it for testing your commands and also testing your Python programs.